So any one of us have the problem of charging and when the phone is just out of battery, but you don't want to take the whole charger and look for the right place to charge when you are just in airport or any other travel way. So yeah, it's a problem, let's admit it. And therefore there is a new charging way that I just got, which is called the Tau charger and the InCharge X. They are both going together basically. It's a package and it may solve your problem when you just have a problem of charging and you don't have the USB cable to charge your phone or charge your Apple Mac or iPad or whatever it is. So let's see.
Let's go!
So Tau charger, InCharge X. Let's see what's the whole thing inside that. So let's start with the Tau charger. Okay, we already see it's basically red. It's limited edition. It's just what I ordered. And what we can see is basically a plug. You see a plug, kind of base for the bank, for the charger itself. And whatever more we can see here, there is kind of, I don't know why we needed it, but okay. And also we got the USB cable just to charge the charger. And a mirror. No, it's kind of, oh, I think I know why we need it. Okay, so you need this because if you want to plug this base, okay, into a wall or something, you also need this kind of all this. You can charge it more. And so I put the Tau charger connected to my phone, and so I can just keep scrolling and use my phone like nothing really happened. You see, all good, nothing really happened, not really falling or something, all very nice. Sometimes the Tau charger is basically will just end. I mean, the charging points, the battery for charging, I don't really know how to say in that, but I think you got me. So it will just point to zero. You can't really charge anymore. It's like normally power bank. So how to charge the power bank? So basically just put the Tau charger in the base like that, okay? And you see there is kind of slider like here, okay? Just slide it down and you see there is kind of a room opening, mystery room. And there is kind of lighting right here, USB. So you just need to charge it with the cable they gave me. The USB little thing will insert right here. And the big one, okay, will be insert in a kind of head of iOS cable or maybe into your PC. And kind of my unboxing of Tau charger and InCharge X. Both are very useful, tiny and charging solutions for everyone. If you are traveling and if you have trouble at work and if you are study at college or whatever. These both items, gadgets, will work for you to prove and solve your problem of charging your phone. You don't really need this long, messy cable anymore. It's not really useful anymore. Just use the InCharge X Tau charger, and that's all basically. Play smart. Anyway, I was Rubis17 and I will see you on my next video. So till then, goodbye guys.